Assalamu alaikum everyone. So it's time that I prepare you for some stop losses, and I personally think that if you start to come down to 9330, then there could be chances of Pepe moving a little bit even lower down to maybe this one demand zone right over there. That's something that you must know, at least for now. You may actually say that Pepe has come down, and we also have been turning this previous resistance here, and we're turning it into support pretty much right now. But I'm just giving you this idea that you must have a little bit of a room if you see Pepe coming down a little bit to 9330, and if it does take it out and then goes even a little bit lower, then that could still be another discount. So the next big support, in my opinion, that we can actually say that Pepe has is down at 491. Like, I'm not saying it's going to come down there, of course. I'm not saying that. But I'm just marking this support and resistance, right? That's where you had one touches here, you moved up, one touch here, you moved up. And if you start to come down under again and you lose it like this, then could be actually highly possible that this is where you find Pepe one more time before we don't see any movement. But looking at how altcoins are really down, I may just say that maybe a bear trap is written all over. Okay, I'm just going to say that, not because I think, but because altcoins dominance, right? Altcoin dominant is on the verge of actually moving up, right? If you understand. So altcoins are about to get crazy, hopefully. There's an alt season that is about to show. Alt dominance is really down the floor, and it's almost just ready to break out and actually start to move to the upside. So during this lowest time of it, I think it's just going to make people really, really, really scared, right? And the more scary it is, even I'm scared right now. If everyone is scared, I think that's the best time to enter. And trust me, whenever I feel afraid and I enter the market, it has actually proven to be much more better than anything else. So that's all for this very quick update on Pepe. Nothing fancy really to talk about, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.